Okay, to mount your GoPro to your skateboard, or your pennyboard in this case, all you need to do is get your GoPro, take it out of its case. It's not going to fit onto the board, otherwise it'll hit the ground. Get some duct tape. It's better using gaffer tape because it doesn't leave a residue like duct tape. So all you need to do is get your GoPro, you put it up against the back truck, align it nicely there towards the middle. Get your duct tape and just put it across the top of your GoPro. Make sure you pull it nice and tight though. Stays on there nice and rigid. It's not going to move around. I wouldn't advise doing this in wet weather, like in the rain, or if there's any puddles or anything like that, because you're going to get your lens all destroyed. So this is the footage you get.